Look at your hand. Flip it over. Does it look real? Or does it look like a very high-quality render? In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed a statistical argument that changed everything. He proved that it is mathematically probable that you are not real. You think you are in base reality, the original world. But what if you are just a sentient NPC in a server farm running in the year 4000? Physics has a limit. The speed of light is a speed limit. Planck length is a pixel size. Why does our universe have hardware limitations unless it is running on hardware? Bostrom's trilemma states one of three things must be true. 1. All civilizations go extinct before they invent the technology to simulate reality. We are doomed. 2. Advanced civilizations can simulate reality, but they choose not to. They lose interest. 3. We are already in a simulation. Think about it. We already have The Sims. We have VR. In 50 years, we will have perfect simulations. If it is possible, then there will be millions of simulations and only one real world. The odds you are in the real one? 1 in a billion. This scares people. It makes them feel fake. But it shouldn't. If this is a simulation, it means the rules can be bent. It means your limitations are just code, and code can be rewritten. If nothing is real, then everything is permitted. Play the game. Subscribe to Hack the System.